30-acre offering represents excellent training facility only 7 miles from Evangeline Downs. Featuring a 23-stall barn with 3 oversized stalls for foaling mares, feed room, hay room, tack room, tool room, and wash rack. Property also includes 9 1-acre paddocks, separate stud pen, barn with 3 surrounding paddocks, and a mare chute. To meet your training needs, the property features a 5/8 track with 20-acre pasture and drainage system, an equicizer, round pen, gates, covered walker, and hot walker. Good rows throughout with stately oak trees. The home is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, plus a 1-bedroom, 1-bath chateau. The asking price is $430,000. For more information, contact Barbara Bonnet at 318-443-6614. Licensed by the Louisiana Real Estate Commission.